So we've got the exhaust off the Winnebago, and let's just say you got the Midas touch. This is horrid. Like people paid money for this? Ugh. This is scrapyard. Scrapyard? West says scrapyard.
I don't even think I'd want to say the mufflers.
You know what this? It's like the crickets in Desert Hot Springs. Tweak, tweak. Tweak, tweak. Tweak, tweak. That's terrible. All right. Next step, we're going to be putting headers in. The Winnebago is going to sound like a big boy vehicle. Well, it'll be quiet, but it won't have negative power such as this lovely creation. Somewhere down there. Ooh, we're going down. Hey, look. I see you.
Oh, hey, bud.
Peekaboo.
How's it going there, bud?
Oh, now you're blurry. What the hell? Oh, there you are. Got it. Oh, I'm up here. Wiring. Got rid of that worthless nonsense. Gonna get rid of this ballast resistor. Gonna put this one in. And then wire our coil and our Pertronics, and we get to play. What does this wiring CF all go to? Because there's a lot of Fred Sanford goodness up in there. Anyway, moving on. So, this is going in trash. This thing had like 3 auxiliary fuel pumps on it. Got the exhaust off, already shot that. What a hot mess that's been. Wes, tell them about the header fun.
Do I have to?
No. I can do it. Passenger side, 8 minutes. Driver's side, hour 5 of the ordeal. We've had to like clearance the collector. We took out all the power steering lines, which need to be redone anyway. Off topic, but whatever. We had to modify this engine mount to drop the motor down about a 1/2 inch so we get better clearance. But now we're looking good. As you can see, that header flange, we don't have gaskets in there yet. And the flange is tight to the cylinder head, so we're good there. I started cleaning up wiring a little bit ago. Wes just tightened the motor mounts back down, yeah? Good. Solid, sir? Solid? He's happy.
Pretty.
He's wearing a UTI shirt because he goes there, but unlike most of the people, he actually knows what he's fucking doing. Usually that means untrained idiot. But if you go in there already pre-trained, you're all right. I love talking shit. It's fun. Anyway, so we got that going. We're hunting out wire. There's probably going to be a ton of wire like this hot mess. Yeah, that's the look. Ugh. Got this hot mess to deal with. I pulled out a bunch of crap earlier. Like, it had the electronic ignition module, which would be like a early 70s style. But it only had 3 of the 5 pins hooked up. But the RV had a points distributor in it. That don't make no sense. So, we got Pertronics. We got a nice MSD blaster. Good stuff. Yeah, so anyway, we got interrupted with a phone call. Got most of our wiring figured out. Coming along. Getting there. Next time you see this, it'll be wiring time. We're gonna do the exhaust. It'll be 2.5 with an X pipe all the way back. Be nice. But we'll have our fuel lines. We'll get the rest of our water situation figured out. We did get hoses. Chris over at the Palm Springs AutoZone matched up hoses for us and sent them over. Good man. Wes's ass was totally in that shot the whole time too. So, ladies.
Hey, single.
I don't think there's any ladies that watch this.
If there is, let me know.
If there is, they ain't gonna be going after you. Anyway, so yeah. So these are the steering hoses off the RV. So glad we decided to pull these off. Holy moly. Dangerous. Off to the hose man in the morning. In the morning.